Understanding even odds, a simple guide. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, even odds. This expression is common in various contexts, from casual conversations to the world of sports and gambling. Understanding it can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. So, let's explore what even odds really means. Even odds refers to a situation where the chances of two outcomes are equally likely. Imagine flipping a coin. It can land on heads or tails. In this case, there's a 50-50 chance for each outcome. That's what we call even odds. Neither outcome is more likely than the other. This phrase is often used in betting scenarios but also appears in everyday English to describe situations with equally likely outcomes. Understanding a phrase also means knowing how to use it. Let's look at some examples. 1. In sports betting, the even odds on this game make it a tricky one to bet on. 2. In daily decisions, there are even odds of it raining today, so I might bring an umbrella. 3. In business, launching the new product now has even odds of success or failure. Notice how even odds can apply to various situations, indicating a balance of probabilities. A common mistake learners make is confusing even odds with certainty. Even odds do not mean that something will definitely happen. Instead, it means that it's equally likely to happen or not happen. Another confusion can arise with the term odds itself, which in other contexts might suggest an imbalance. However, with even odds, the key is understanding the balance it implies. Even odds is a fascinating and useful phrase in the English language, indicating a situation where two outcomes have equal chances of occurring. Remember, it's all about the balance of probabilities, not certainty. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use even odds more confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.